Hey everyone! Are you ready to throw the most epic party of the year? World Party Day is just around the corner, and it's the perfect excuse to gather your friends and have an unforgettable time. Today I'm going to show you how to throw a toga party that will go down in history. Imagine a night filled with laughter, fun, and a touch of ancient elegance. We're talking Roman and Greek-themed, baby. Think of the grandeur of ancient civilizations brought to life in your own home. So grab your sheets and let's dive in. We're going to cover everything from invitations to decor, costumes, food, and even games. First up, the invitations. You want to set the tone right from the start. Your invitations should scream epic and ancient all at once. Go for scroll-style invites with some classic Greek patterns on the edges. This will give your guests a hint of the theme and get them excited. Maybe throw in a little wax seal to make it extra fancy. It's all about those little details that make a big impact. Trust me, your guests will love it. They'll be talking about your party even before it starts. Now let's talk decor. Think columns, vines, and plenty of gold accents. These elements will transport your guests back to ancient times. Drape white sheets or fabric all around to give that ancient vibe. It's simple, but incredibly effective. You can easily make columns out of pool noodles wrapped in white paper or fabric. It's a fun DIY project that adds a lot of character. Add some ivy or faux vines and you're set. These touches will make your space feel lush and vibrant. Next, we need to get those costumes ready. Togas are super easy to make. You don't need to be a fashion designer to pull this off. Just grab a white sheet, drape it over one shoulder and secure it with a belt or rope. It's that simple. Don't forget to accessorize with some gold jewelry and maybe a laurel wreath for that authentic touch. These accessories will make your outfit pop. Food and drinks are key. You can't have a Roman feast without a spread fit for the gods. Your guests will be expecting a culinary experience. Think grapes, cheese, olives, and bread. These are classic staples that are easy to prepare and always a hit. For the main course, go for something like roast chicken or lamb. These hearty dishes will keep everyone satisfied. And for drinks, wine is a must. It's the drink of the gods, after all. You could even serve it in those cute little goblets. It adds a touch of authenticity and fun. Games and activities will keep the party going. Set up some fun challenges like a trivia game about Greek and Roman mythology. These activities will keep everyone entertained. If you've got the space, a chariot race could be hilarious. Just use wheelbarrows or cardboard cutouts. It's a great way to get everyone involved and laughing. Music is essential to set the mood. Create a playlist with some instrumental tracks that have that ancient vibe. Music can really transport your guests to another time, and don't forget to mix in some modern tunes to keep everyone dancing. A good mix will keep the energy high all night. And finally, lighting. Go for candles, lanterns or fairy lights to create a magical atmosphere. Lighting can make or break the ambience. You can even use those battery-operated candles if you're worried about safety. They're a great alternative and still look fantastic. The soft glow will make everything look amazing. It's the perfect finishing touch to your decor. So there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll have a toga party that your friends will talk about for years. Don't forget to take lots of pictures and tag me so I can see all your amazing setups. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy World Party Day, everyone! Let's make it a celebration to remember. Go make it legendary. Narrator out. See you at the party.